How do I prepare a prior year return in TaxAct Online? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Now click on the option of Sign In. Then you want to enter your username and password in this sign in portal. Once you have entered both the details, click on the option of Agree and Sign In. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option of starting a new tax return for the specific prior tax year you need to file. TaxAct is going to provide you an option to select the tax year you want to work on. Provide your personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and any other required details. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid errors. Enter all sources of income you received during the tax year you're filing for. This is going to include income from employment, self-employment, investments, rental properties, and so on. Enter any deductions and credits you are eligible for. Then TaxAct will guide you through the process of claiming deductions such as mortgage interest, student loan interest, and credits such as earned income tax credit or child tax credit. Once you have entered all the information, carefully review your tax return to ensure accuracy. Once you have reviewed all the information, you can proceed to file your tax return. If you owe taxes for the prior year, you'll need to pay them separately. After reviewing your return and ensuring everything is accurate, you can e-file your tax return through TaxAct. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.